guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing my quarantine makeup. I thought it would be a good opportunity to do like a full face makeup tutorial for you guys because it's been a while since I did one. So yeah, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, you guys. I'm uploading videos every single week. Make sure you turn on that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Yeah, if you guys want to see my quarantine makeup routine, then just keep on watching. Ignore this situation that is going on right now. I don't even know what to call this bird's nest. I kind of changed my makeup routine. Before I would always do my eyebrows and I do my eye makeup, but now I've recently been doing my foundation first. I saw this thing on TikTok, your moisturizer first, the setting powder, and then spray your face and then put primer. So I already moisturized my face. My Target was out of the Clean and Clear moisturizer, but this is like the dupe that I've been using. I've been using this Airspun loose face powder. It smells really good. It smells kind of like a grandma. I just tapped some in the cap. Okay, you gotta be careful with this powder, you guys. It gets really messy. I'm just gonna dust a little on my face. Not too much because you don't want it to be too crazy looking. Oh my gosh, I love this setting spray, you guys. It works as a primer, a misting spray, and it's like super affordable. So it's the NYX Bare With Me multitasking spray. All the products that I'm using, you guys, I will list in the down bar below. I'm gonna let that dry. For primer, I'm gonna be using the Becca First Light Priming Filter. I'm just gonna put a little on my fingertips, a little pea-size amount. Apply that to my face. We're gonna let the primer dry. For foundation, I'll be using my L'Oreal True Match. I'm in the shade C5, which is cool beige. Yeah, I really like this foundation. It's very natural looking and it doesn't make you look super cakey. This is the Morphe makeup sponge. I picked this up at Ulta, but the thing about this foundation is it's very light, so you can always build it up. Kind of dab it first in place. Also make sure you blend down your neck because that's like the most important thing to do. And I'm just gonna wet it a little bit. So for my concealer, I've been using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 15 Light. So I'm just gonna kind of like conceal any of my dark under eye circles that I have. Kind of like do the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, Cupid's bow, and then like my chin. I will take the end of my Morphe sponge, which I really like this sponge. I really recommend it, you guys. It's great because it doesn't like really absorb all the product like the beauty blenders do. And I like it because it's a little bit firm so you can like get your under eyes good. I'm grabbing a spoolie and I'm just brushing out my eyebrows. I'm using the NYX eyebrow pencil. This is in the color brunette, and this one I just use to like kind of line my eyebrows. To fill in my eyebrows, I've been using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. This is in the color soft brown. Really just draw a line right underneath the eyebrow, so that way I know like where to fill in. It's kind of like just draw a line underneath first. That's all I do with that pencil, and then I put that away before I go too crazy. I'm gonna go in with my brow gel. Grab an angle brush, and I just kind of like apply a little bit of the product to the angle of the brush. Usually start right up where the arch is. And I'll just kind of like brush it through, and then kind of just like drag it down. And then whatever's left over on the brush, I just kind of like disperse it right to the beginning of my eyebrow because I don't like it to be too thick. I usually tweeze my eyebrows every morning before I do my makeup, but honestly with this quarantine, I don't even care anymore at this point. Brushing out the product, and I'll just kind of brush it down, and then I'll just use my finger and just kind of like get the ends. Just gonna grab an angled brush. I'm using like any concealer. Take a little bit, underline my eyebrows. And then I also like to do the front of the eyebrow, the excess product, and get the top of the eyebrow just so it's more defined. I'm going to blend out the concealer with my Morphe makeup sponge, and I'm just going to kind of blend the concealer, that way it looks a little bit better. This is the Great Lash Mascara. This is actually a new one because this one is disgusting looking. I like to like take off all the excess product. That way it doesn't look hella crazy. Just going to brush my eyebrows up, and this like really makes your eyebrows stay all day, you guys. Like I kid you not, it is amazing. So we're gonna let that dry. We're gonna move on to eyes. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay primer potion. prime my eyelids, and this just helps the eyeshadow stay on all day, doesn't let your eyeshadow crease. I kind of went back to my peach palette. I'm gonna take a Sephora blending brush, dip it in this brown shade right here, tap off the excess, and I'm only focusing it like on the outer corners, and then I'm slowly dragging it in. I'm gonna take a blending brush. I'm going to do circular motions, that way there's no harsh lines. I'm gonna go back in with my eyeshadow primer potion, apply it to the center of my lids. And this kind of just makes your eyeshadow pop a little bit more. I'm going in with my pinky and I'm just blending it right in the center. I'm gonna go back in with that puree color right here. Focus this on the outer corners just to really deepen up the crease. Loose eyeshadow. I've had this for forever, you guys. I'm so bad at describing eyeshadow. Just look at it. I don't know what color that is. The light champagne. Spray my brush so that way it really shows more. I'm going to apply this right on the lids. And I really love this look, especially if you have brown eyes, you guys. It really makes your eyes pop. So before I do my winged liner, I always curl my lashes. Just because sometimes when I curl my lashes with wing liner, it takes away the wing liner. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline Master Precise liquid liner. I'm gonna do my traditional wing that I usually do. Before I jump into my mascara routine, I'm gonna bake while I do my mascara. Going in with that powder again. I go crazy with this, you guys. I'm going with my angled Morphe sponge. This thing is amazing. You guys have to get one of these. They are really, really good when you're baking. So I'm going in with that powder underneath my eyes first. Going again underneath my eyes, and don't worry if you have a lot of fallout. That is gonna happen when you bake. Angle the sponge like this, and I just kind of slim my nose a little bit because later on I'm gonna go back and like contour, and then I suck in my cheeks. Go over again because the more crack on your face, the better. Just kidding. I'm going to be using this volume booster. It's a lash primer that I got from Ulta. It's by the brand Essence. It's like makes my lashes really, really long looking. So while that coat is drying, whatever is excess with my powder, I just kind of like tap it back and put it back in there and close it up. I've been using the NYX matte bronzer. Literally hit pan, you guys, but there's still some in there. Bare Minerals angled brush. Swirl that in there, then tap. And I'm just gonna contour. Same on this side. On my temples up here, chin. I'm obsessed with this mascara. I got it in my glam bag, never used it until now. It is the Pixie by Petra Lash Lift Mascara. Super cool because it has one side where it's just like a regular mascara wand. You open the other top one, lash wand for your lower lashes. Buy one coat of mascara. I'm just distributing the product just to the tips of my lashes. That's one coat. You see that, you guys? So I'm not gonna wear any falsies today. I usually go like really heavy with mascara when I don't wear falsies and let that coat dry. I don't like to bake too long. So I'm just gonna grab my little powder brush and I'm just gonna dust away the bake. So just kind of like dust that away. So you see how there's like a harsh bronzer line? I don't like that look. So I go in with my beauty blender. This is what I only use strictly to blend my bronzer. So I just kind of use that and I just kind of buff it so there's no harsh lines. Same to the top. But look at the difference, you guys. Line, no line. Did I like blow your mind? Stuff kind of hurts a little bit. I'm gonna contour my nose. Hoola by Benefit. It's the matte bronzer. Blend this out. Go back and do another coat of mascara. I just kind of blink a little bit and distribute the product to the ends. And this just makes your lashes look more thicker and fuller. So for blush, I'm gonna be taking my Tarte. This is called Feisty. Dip a little tap. So when I apply blush, you guys, I don't apply it to the apples of my cheeks just because I don't like to look like a clown. So I'm gonna smile And then I'm just gonna apply it right up here to my temples a little bit. Is that my temples? Cheekbones. Temples. Just like above it though. I just want to add some color to my face but not be like too blushy. I'm gonna go back in with my Benefit They're Real. I really like this because it acts like a really good comb to like really comb out your lashes. Okay, we're not done. We're gonna go back to our eyes. Excuse me. I'm taking this Morphe M432 brush. This brush is awesome, especially when you're applying eyeshadow to your lower lashes. It's amazing. Color Summer Yum right here. Kind of like an orangey matte brown color. I'm just kind of like applying the product right underneath the lashes. And this really makes your brown eyes pop, you guys. So for my lower lashes, I'm gonna take my NYX Wonder Pencil, just like a nude pencil. Line my lower lash line. That Pixie again with this side. Just kind of wiggle it. And I kind of turn the brush this way. That way I can distribute the product better. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using my Ofra in Rodeo Drive. And it's just really a pretty nice gold highlight. I'm going to spray my face. Sometimes I go crazy, you guys. And I'm going to be taking my Morphe M510 brush. It's like a highlighter brush. And I'm going to use that and I'm just going to apply it right above where we applied the blush. Oh my god, I am obsessed with this highlight, you guys. Holy crap. Love it. Want more of it. And I go crazy with the highlight, not gonna lie. If I'm wearing like a shirt like this, I like spray myself, then highlight like my collarbone right here, my shoulders. Just go crazy. Go crazy. And I'll highlight like the tip of my nose. You see it? It's like, oh my god, glowing to the gods. Little white highlight, it's called White Peach. Highlight my inner corners, and this will just make my eyes pop a little bit more. And then I'm also gonna highlight right underneath the brow bone, the tip of my nose, and then the bridge of my nose. And then I'll just blend it in with my finger. Spray my face one more time, you guys. I will go do my hair and I will be right back. My lip color, I take a toothbrush and I just kind of like exfoliate my lips. I also use the sugar lip scrub. This smells so good. It tastes super yummy. You guys can see my lips are a little bit more like plump and fuller. I've been using the Burt's Bees Vanilla Bean Chapstick. Super moisturizing. Using these two products by NYX. The one in Sandstorm, just like a brown lip liner. Apply this to the bottom. Then I'll just outline my lips. For my lip color, I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the color London. It's a very natural brown color. Okay, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my little quarantine makeup routine. I really hope you found this video helpful, of course. And like I said, I'll link all the products that I used in the down bar below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you liked this video. And if you have any more requests, leave it in a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
You know that I would do it, so you test me, looking sexy. You bring out the best me, they gon' copy. Shouting you the best I've ever had by far. So I'ma treat you better than your last by far. No matter what you do, can't nobody tell me shit about you. I really can't explain the things you do, but it makes me crazy over you.